Hello everyone, dear friends on the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to make an adamantite or titanium furnace in Terraria. First, we need to go down to hell and kill the wall of flesh. Next, in hell, we must find a demon and get a voodoo doll from it. Then throw the doll into the lava to summon the wall of flesh boss. Of course, we have to defeat this boss. It will drop this hammer upon defeat. Afterwards, we need to move to the dark world. For me, it's this red world here. We then descend into these dungeons and look for these red objects. Break as many as possible using the holy hammer. Search for them around here. There's one. Break them accordingly. They can be found all over this area. These are just a few that I've discovered so far. If you go further down, you will find more to break. After breaking these totems, head down into the mine. New ore should spawn for us to collect. Here's the first cobalt in my world. Then mithril, yes, mithril and adamantite. I've got these 3 ores. Here. Next, we go to hell to find the hell forge. There it is. We need to grab it. Now let's head home. Here, from those ores. First we mine cobalt, make a cobalt drill, then use it to extract mithril and smelt it. After that, we craft a mithril anvil. Then we make a mithril pickaxe or drill, mine adamantite, and use it with the hell forge to make an adamantite or titanium furnace. That's it. This was Valor. See you all.